Soren and today we're going to Crystal Cove for Cars and Coffee. Last week when we went there, David Lee, he brought his Ferrari F40 and that was really cool. And today he said that he's gonna bring his Ferrari Enzo. I'm really excited about that. And we're trying to catch him before he goes there to take rolling shots of it. So we're parked by here hoping that he'll pass by. This is a really cool car show. I've been here a couple weeks in a row, and every time there's always one or two crazy cars. So we waited to find the Ferrari Enzo on the road so we could take rolling shots of it. And luckily we did, and that was a really cool experience. It was my first ever Enzo rolling shot. Hey David Lee, we've never met in person. My name is Soren Swift. I was the one who was taking pictures.
You took a good picture. You take a very good picture. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I love all your cars. They're amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna try to start bringing them. You know. Well, you got a good setup. You park right there. If a good car comes through, you can take those rolling shots.
Yeah, thank you.
I love them.
Thank you.
I love your shots. You're a good photographer.
This is so cool. So the Enzo is an amazing and crazy car. I love it so much. There are a lot of crazy things to it too. Like the doors, how they open, they're really cool, but they actually take off. When you open both of them, you can actually see that it takes off most of the ceiling. It's just an amazing car in general. Something that you might not know is that the Ferrari Enzo is actually supposed to be said Enzo Ferrari. It has a 6-liter V12. It has a top speed of 222 miles an hour. So the Ferrari Enzo is an amazing car. I've taken rolling shots of an F40, an F50, and now an Enzo. But I haven't taken pictures of a LaFerrari rolling shots, so I really want to do that. Maybe next week. There are a lot of other crazy cars, so let's go check out the cars. This is a Ferrari F40. This is my favorite Ferrari. I don't know why, but I just love the shape. It's different from any other Ferrari. I just love this car so much. My other car is a LaFerrari. What's cool about this car show is that it's a bunch of mixes of cars. There are old cars, new cars, expensive cars, tuner cars, muscle cars, and any other car you can think of. Oh cool, look, it's a Renault 5 Turbo. Whoa, this is cool. So something cool that you might not know is that the first Cars and Coffee actually started right here in Crystal Cove. Look at this matte gray Huracan Performante. I really like the color with the wheels. This is a really cool car. It's a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. I got to take rolling shots of this car yesterday even. And the owner of this car's name is Paul Lee. He's a top fuel drag racer, which is really cool. It's a cool Acura NSX, red. There are a lot of Porsches here. Oh yeah, and here's my car, the Cadillac CTS-V. This is a cool Ferrari Pista. I've never seen one with just 2 white lines in the middle. I really like it. I like this one. Cars and Coffee's over there, but there's always a group of cars that parks over there. Let's go check them out. Cool, look at this. There's a McLaren 720, an RWB Porsche, bunch of Carreras, a Ferrari TDF, and a Superfast, and a Stradale. What's cool about RWB is that this guy, he like gets normal like Carreras and turbos, and he cuts them all up and puts like wide bodies and huge wings on them. When I was 7, I actually met him. So there are a lot of cool cars here. Check this out, everybody. An Aston Martin Newport Beach, inside of it, they actually have a DB5, which was in the last James Bond movie. Cool, look at this. There's a Ferrari Tributo. So one of the reasons that I love taking rolling shots so much is that it's just me and the car. The hard thing about taking just normal pictures is that you have a bunch of people around, so that's hard. So there's a bunch of cool cars here. Comment below and tell me which one is your favorite.